What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and today it is day 4, I think, of my trip. I don't know, I'm losing track of time. So I've been in Boston, New Jersey, New York, and now I'm in Austin, Texas. So I've got a little bit of downtime this morning, so I'm going to just grab a car, an Uber, and just go and see if I can find some shops and have a little bit of a wander around. So I shall catch up with you a little bit later. Hey guys, just back from the mall at Barton Creek, and got back to my hotel. My room's been cleaned, so I'm just going to go and get myself a coffee here at, I think it's called Caroline's Coffee Bar, so let's see how good it is. So I'm just having a coffee and cookie in the coffee bar. There's actually a bar behind me, which is pretty interesting, but anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to see if my room's been cleaned and try and do some editing. So I've been accumulating quite a lot of footage, but haven't had a chance to do any editing yet, so I'll try and get to that shortly. So guys, back in my room, I've had my coffee. Actually, I couldn't finish the coffee, couldn't finish the pastry because they were too big. But I'm actually off to a place called Terry Black's now, which is a barbecue place. So apparently Texas was famous for its barbecue food. And this place was started, I don't know, many years ago, and it's supposed to be the best one in town. So I'm off there to have some early dinner, or late lunch if you like, and right from there I'm off to another meeting, which is a kind of a business event launch. So going to be some drinks and canapes, and I think the South African, so the company I'm going to see is actually South African, but they're kind of based, they've got offices around the USA, and they're actually getting the South African ambassador, I think, to the United States to come and open the ceremony and cut the ribbon and all of that. So, you know, it should be quite interesting. So I'm going to also, I need to find some time to do some editing, because I've had no time. My schedule's been so busy, I've really had no time to do any editing. I think I edited one day and put it up, but I will get around to hopefully trying to do some editing and put up the next video soon. So anyway, I'm carrying on with my day. As I said, I'm off out shortly, and you know, hopefully I'll be able to bring you a bit more footage of Austin, Texas. This is like a scene out of the fucking Birds.